last one.
You might have to get a different size tip, but at least this part's there. Bye bye. All I can say is adios, muchachos.
Yeah. Go to Mexico. Relax.
Okay, finally. Bye bye.
Look how many screws had to come off.
Oh my gosh.
One more.
Yeah. Bye bye.
Sayonara.
There's a lot of little tension on the middle. It's still far out, huh? So this one needs to be chopped. Same with this one needs to be chopped. So that it stick out like this, right?
Yeah.
You want to stick out a little bit, but not too much.
Yeah.
So it needs to be cut like here somewhere.
Yeah.
Right. It's been too center to me. I mean, I can go a little bit more this way, but I don't think it makes much difference. That good? Or do you want to keep going? It looks sexy. Now here's the screw. Glove box or something. Hey, honey. Let's hear what this puppy sounds like.